This product was sent to me for my honest review. If you're anything like me and hate digging to the bottom of your tool bag just to find a wrench or a screwdriver, you gotta check out this tool bag, which has 5 different compartments where you can separate your tools and organize them properly, and 2 little pouches up top for like drill bits or screws and stuff like that. And I was able to get everything in my old bag in the new tool bag with space to spare. I love that I have everything laid out when I need it, and I could just roll it up and roll out when I'm done. After rolling it up, just grab your straps, snap them in place on either side, and you're pretty much ready to go. Once rolled up, it even has a smaller footprint than my old bag, which makes it easier to carry and easier to store. I also love these 2 rings at the top, which allows you to hang it and lace everything out as needed. If I have to say anything negative, I wish it was just a little bit wider so that I could get my crowbar in there as well. But other than that, the bag feels high quality and tear resistant, allows me to organize all my tools a little bit better, which will make the tools easier to find and should improve my quality of life. And I hope this video was helpful.